my Secret Santa gift. And I've never opened one of these before, so I'm very curious. Go with the 40,000 with the number 1 hook. I'm just hoping I can zip it open is what I'm hoping for.
I love it on
Alright, we'll single pin pick it maybe.
Maybe they're only red.
Oh, I wanted to go. Assuming it's only...
Timer?
No, yeah, right. I'm assuming it's only a 3-pin lock. Could be 4.
You bring those breads back. Imagine I'm not able to open it. So they're not so bad.
Never know.
Very good. I think you need to try different food. Yeah, I'm just gonna
Thinking this thing's got serrated pins in it, maybe. Nah, no way. Blind, talk about a blind pick.
I'm known for eating food.
Oh, got it.
Yay!
You got
Now I want to try.
Under 2 minutes.
Oh, really?